Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find this option, home screen and style. Let's tap. Here we've got the toggle which is connected with the lock screen. However, after swiping or simply waiting, you can tap on select wallpaper. So let's tap on it. And here we will have the album with pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So we've got quite a lot of options to choose from. Those are, let's say, abstract options. We can also tap on more and we will be transferred to the themes. So if you've got the account after logging in, you will be able to download something from pre-installed, something from online wallpapers. Sorry, let me quickly go back. What is more, after swiping down this section, you can tap on the color. So you can set the gradient color, the gradient or the solid color, and apply it to the wallpaper. I think I prefer to use the image, so let me just tap on it. As you can see, we will be transferred to the same section, and maybe let me choose this cat. So just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied on the home page. So let's tap on done if you're ready. Now let's wait. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.